Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's Dalton Tyrrell with another how-to video. So this is actually going to be a very unwell-known feature. So what this feature is going to be remote window power down. So pretty much from your key fob, you're going to be able to roll your windows down on those hot summer days, similar to the remote start, getting your car all nice and warm in the winter. You can remote start your car in the summer, get the AC going, and then remote roll your windows down to let all the trapped hot air out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. So first you need to make sure it's turned on. So you go to your settings, vehicle, remote lock, unlock and start. Vehicle must be turned on. Turn that on. So remote lock, unlock and start. And then you scroll down, the remote window operation. If you go ahead and turn that on, go back, system. Of course, the vehicle's already on, so let's turn that off and take a step outside. So, how this is going to work, first you're going to want to remote start your vehicle by pressing the lock button twice and then holding the circular remote start until you hear that start up. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hit your unlock button and then hold it. And that is going to automatically roll down your windows from here. Thank you. Have a good day.